students, in today's class we will discuss from exercise 1.1 third bit. Okay, so previously we have discussed up to second bit. Now we will continue from the third bit. Write the just a minute. Write the following numbers in the Indian place value chart given below. So he has given some numbers, you have to fill them in Indian place value chart. Okay, so what is that Indian place value chart? He has given some number crores. In crores you are having what? 100 crore, 10 crore, crore. Okay, if I draw like this only, you will understand clearly. Crores, lakhs. Just a minute. Crores, lakhs, thousands, and this is ones period. Okay, so I will draw one more box here. Number. So this is a number. Crores. Lakhs. Ten lakhs. Lakhs. Okay. Thousands. Ten thousands. Thousands. Next. Ones, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, so in lakhs place you are having two place values. In thousands place you are having two place values in Indian system. Okay, here you are having two place values, here you are having three place values. Okay, in crores you are having three place values. Okay, so what is the first number he gave? 78,000. First number is 78,637. Okay, so this is 5-digit number, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here you have to write, here this is 78,000. No, so in thousands place, in 10,000s place you are writing 7, in thousands place you are writing 8, in hundreds place 6, in tens place 3, in ones place 7. So like that you have to fill each number. Okay, so next number is what? Next number is 89,000. Sorry, 8,92,107. So this is 8 lakh 92,107. 8 in lakhs place, 9 in 10,000s place, 2 in thousands place, 1 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, 7 in ones place. Okay, this is you have to understand. So we have completed 2 numbers now. So let me rub this. Okay, so we have completed 2 numbers. So C, what is the C? 63 lakh 18,917. So I don't know the number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 digits are there. So these first 3 digits are in ones place, next 2 digits in thousands place, next 2 digits in lakhs place. So this number is 63 lakh 18,907. If you don't know the number name, so once you have to divide them according to the Indian place value system. You have to keep commas like this. Okay, so first 3 digits 1 comma, because ones place is having 3 place values. In thousands place you are having 2 place values. In lakhs place you are having 2 place values. No, so if you don't know also, it's not a problem. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you have to write 7. You have to fill 7 place values. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it will be filled now. So what you will call that number? 6318917. So this number we have to start reading from left to right now. So this number is in 10 lakhs. So 63 lakh 18,917 is the number. Like that also you can know the number. I think you may have known this number before only, so no need to worry. Just you have to what you have to do, you have to arrange them in the Indian place value system. Okay, so next number is what? It is 2 crores. 2, it is a 8 digit number, no? So here this is a how many digit number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is a 8 digit number. 1 2 and 7 zeros. 1 2, it's not enough here. Okay, 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 zeros and 1 2. So let us arrange. This is a 8 digit number now. So 8 digit number means from here it will start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So from here 2 is in crores place, 0 in 10 lakhs place, 0 in lakhs place, 0 in 10,000s place, 0 in thousands place, 0 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, 0 in ones place. So from here you are getting 8 digits now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So after filling, what is the number? This 2 is in crores place, remaining all zeros. What is the number? 2 crores. Okay, next one is E. Just a minute. Okay, E is, you are having 9 digits. 1 1 1. Just a minute. Sorry. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. You are having how many digits? 9 digits. So up to here you are having 8 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So if you want 9 digits, this is a 2 crore is a 8 digit number. So here he has given 9 digits now. So from here you have to start from 10 crores. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is 10 crores. This is 1 crore. 10 plus 1. This is 11 crore. 11 crore 11 lakh 11,111 is the number name. Okay, so next number. So this one is clear now. So you are having, this is a 9 digit number now, you have to fill 9 places, 1 2 3 4, starting from where? Starting from left, you have to go to right. From here only you will get 9 places up to once. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, you have to fill like that. Okay, so we have completed up to this number. So next we will write one more. Okay, so what is the next number? What is the next number? Can you say, anyone? Can you write the number name? Because it is a very big number, no? Can you say the number name directly without arranging them? So let me write. That is F now. F. That is 68904 23180. It is like a mobile number. Okay, 68904 23180. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 digits are there. So in previous one, this is F now, that is E. For 9 digit number we have to start from 10 crore. This is a 10 digit number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you have to start from 100 crore. 6 8 9 0 4 2. Count the number of digits and arrange them from left to right, not right to left. You have to arrange them from left to right. Okay, so from 100 crore to ones place we are having 10 places now. So this is a 10 digit number, fill accordingly. 68904 3180 means what is the number name? 689 crores 4 lakhs 23,180 is the number. Okay, number name. So what is the next one? G. 3264589. 3264589. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is a 7 digit number. Okay, so 7 digit means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 digit number. So you have to start from here. 3 2 6 4 5 8 9. Okay, 32 lakhs 64,589 is the answer. Okay, next one. What is the next one? H. H1 is 1743 9247. So how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 digits are there, no? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. From here you have to start. So 1 7 4 3 9 2 4 7. Okay, 1 7 4 3 9 2 4 7. Okay, you have to count the number of boxes from number of places from ones place to tens place, but you have to start from counting from here. If you don't understand, I am saying you have to start counting from ones place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is a 8 digit number. No, I have started from right to left counting, but you should write from left to right. Okay, counting from right to left for your understanding. To make it clear, you have to count from here, ones, tens, hundred, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 digit number, no? So you have to start writing from crore. 1 7 4 3 9 2 4 7, like that. Okay, H is completed. I. What is the I? 27 100 2090. Okay, what is this number? 1 crore 74 lakh 39,247. Okay, so what is the next number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is having 9 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You are having 9 digits up to 10 crores. So you have to start writing from here. 2 in 10 crores place, 7 in crores place, 1 in 10 lakhs place, 0 0 2090. 2090. What is the number name? 27 crore 10 lakh 2090. That is the number name. Okay, you have to understand like that. Clear? So next one, last number, it is 1460 37507. 37507. So how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you have to again start from 10 crore. Writing 146 037 507 507. So like that you have to start counting and you have to write. Okay, so this bit is completed. Okay, so this bit we have completed. Next we will see what? Fourth bit. Next is fourth bit. Okay, so this is international place value. International place value chart given below. This is your fourth bit. Okay, so what he is saying, write the following numbers in the international place value chart given below. Just now we have looked at Indian, now we have to look at international. So here you are having ones, thousands, millions, billions. So this is, here we have to write numbers. Next, in billions place, how many are there? How many places he has given? Only 2 places, no? 10 billion, billion. Okay, clear? So next you will have millions. So here you will have three place values. In international system, every period has 3 place values. Millions means 100 million, 10 million, million. Okay. Next, billions, millions, thousands. Hundred thousands, 10,000s and thousands. Next we will have ones, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay. So what is the first number? This is the chart. Okay, so what is the first number he has given? Just a minute. So we have completed the chart. So let us see the first number. What is the number? 68946. So how many digits are there here? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits are there, no? Count from ones place. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is a 5 digit number. You have to count from here ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 1 2 3 4 5. So you have to start writing from here, no? Because this is a 5 digit number. 6 8 9 4 6. Okay, like that you have to write. What is the number name? 68,946. Okay, how many digits are there? You have to start counting from here. If 5 digits are there, 1 2 3 4 5. If 6 digits are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. From here you have to start writing if it is a 6 digit number. Okay, so you will understand clearly. 713894. This is a 6 digit number, no? So you have to start counting from ones place. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, you have to start writing from here. 7 1 3 8 9 4. So what is the number name? 713,894. Okay, so next one is 2017847. 2017847. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 2 0 1 7 8 4 7. What is the number name? 2,17,847 is the number. Okay, next E. So this is C, no? Next D is what? D is 7941 7608. Okay, 7941 7608. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 digits are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So from here you have to start. 7947608. What is the number name? 7,947,608. Okay, E. What is E? So this is 333. This is a 9 digit number. 6 3 zeros, 3 zeros, again 2 zeros. This is a 9 digit number. 1 digit you are having 6, remaining 8 digits are you are having zeros. Okay, so let us see total 9 digits, no? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So from here you have to write 6 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is a 9 digit number. We have filled 9 digits. Okay, up to here it is clear, no? Yes, so we have completed up to E. So up to E it is completed, no? So remaining F G H I J you have to do it for your homework. Okay, so I have did 5, remaining 5 you have to do, that is for your homework. What you have to do? Just count how many digits are there. Okay, and you have to count from ones place to how many digits are there, that many numbers you have to count, and you have to fill the numbers accordingly. Just now we have did that, no? So same like that only you have to do. So from fourth bit from F to from J, from F to J, this is for your homework. You have to complete it till next class. Okay, you have to complete it from F to J. That is for your homework. It is very easy. So here, if he has given a 5-digit number, for example, so from ones place you have to count ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. No, so 5-digit number. No, suppose let us see 1 2 3 4 5. This is a 5-digit number. No, 1 2 3 4 5. From here you have to start writing 1 2 3 4 5. So from left, from 5, from ones place to from 10,000, from ones place you have to start counting. How many digits are there? That many digits you have to count. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a 5-digit number. No, so that's why I have counted 5 digits and start writing from that 5th digit. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, like that you have to write. By this time it is clear for you, I think. So in next class, so homework is from where? F to J. 4th bit F to J is for your homework. Okay, next topic we will see in the next class. Okay, clear? Right.